Today we'll be learning how to make simple image gallery using HTML and CSS. Stay tuned. I'll create this container that will hold the divs. Inside it, I'll create the image div, the div from each of the images. The images are stored in this folder called images. So here I'll be taking each of the images. I'm going to create another div. Please take note, all the divs have the same name, so you don't have to style them one by one. By giving them the same class, you target all of them at once. These are the images I just added now. So let's see how we can style these images to form a gallery. I'm gonna give this a title here, h1. Image gallery. I'll be using internal CSS. So below this place, I'll create a style tag. I'll use universal selector to remove default margin and padding on the browser. I think I should minimize this so that we'll be visualizing what we are creating. Looking at this place, see all this margin, it comes by default. So let me minimize so you can easily visualize it. Here I will minimize as well. Okay, so this is what I have now. So removing the default margin and padding, I'm gonna have 0. See, the margin is gone. Half padding, 0 pixel. We have box sizing. Each of those have what other box spots be. Each one of them has a function of its own. Okay, so let's see. I'll be grabbing the container. Remember, I have .container up, a class I named container. Let's see this class here, .container. So here I have container. I'll be giving it display flex. I'll use flex for this work. Display flex. So by default, all the images will be displayed flex as flex element. You see, so they are no longer in column form. Then I want to target each of the images. I will target the div holding each of the images so I can resize it. So I have div image. I'm going to give it width of 300 pixels. I'll give height of pixels. So having given this the div width and height, let's target the image now and resize the image. The div image, then image now. See, this is how we have it. This is the div image containing the image. Alright, so I'm going to give this image weight. I want it to take 100% of this div holding it. The height of the image should be 100% of the div holding it. You can see we have how we have it now. But then remember, I gave this container flex. I'll target this container and give it width now. Display, sorry, I'll say width, say 600. No, I'll give it 1000 pixels of weight. Sorry, 1000 pixels. So this is what I have. Now I'm going to give it flex wrap. This is a flex property. I'll say wrap. So this is what we have now. But then instead of saying this width, let me use maximum width. Maximum width. Okay, so this is what I have now. Maximum width of 1000 pixels. Okay, then let me give it minimum height. Minimum height of say 300 pixels. So this is what I have. Then you can see there is no gap between these images, so I want them to have gap. So instead of using margin to achieve that, I'll simply say gap 10 pixels. So this is what I have now, giving it gap of 10 pixels. Now I want the image to be at the center. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna justify content center, align items center. Let's see if it will give me what I want. Okay, it did not really give me what I want. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to take the whole of this. Okay, I'll target the body. Let me just target the body here. I'll target the body. Give it display grid. I'll use place items center. Then I'll give it minimum height of 100 UH. So this is what I have now. Okay, so this maximum width I use, let me reduce it to maximum width of 700 pixels. Okay, wrap. Then the divs, each of the divs, let me reduce it to say 200 pixels. Yeah, so this is what I have now. Right, so additionally I can add border radius. So I'll say border radius of 10 pixels. Here, border radius of 10 pixels. Okay, so this is what we have now. Alright, so this is a simple image gallery we just created. So try it out and see how you can resize images. Thank you so much.